Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and if you have not subscribed, please consider on doing so, because I would love to have you over here. And what I'm about to do, I am going to make a banana nut bread. Yes, and I am going to place it over in this bundt pan instead of using the loaf pan. And then I already sprayed it with the Pam baking spray. So the ingredients that I have 3 very ripe bananas. You can use medium or large. Then I have half a cup of unsalted butter. Now 1 stick is a half a cup, and this butter is at room temperature. Then I have 3/4 of granulated sugar. I have 1½ cup of cake flour, which is Swan's Down cake powder. You can also use flour, 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. Then I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a ½ teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to use ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I have 1 cup of walnuts and a ½ cup of raisins. Now these are optional. You know, you can use this, or you don't have to add walnuts and raisins to your banana bread. So since I'm going to add the walnuts and the raisins to the banana bread, it will be called banana nut bread. So you guys, let's get started. So I'm going to cream my butter and sugar together. All right, the cake is finished. Let me cut a piece. What it's looking like on the inside. It is moist. I can taste the walnuts, the raisin, and the glaze. And it does taste like banana nut bread. But I put it in a bundt pan. Sort of made it like a pound cake. You guys, you can eat this with, you can add butter to it. You can have it in the morning for your coffee. You can have it in the morning with your coffee or any time of the day. It's good, y'all. So try it. I will list the recipe down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. Thank you all so much for tuning in. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.